Gondor fermentation machine. Processing effect show. 2 types of control. Real-time temperature and humidity control. Windows-based design. Check dough fermentation at a glance. Double-layer thickened food-grade silicone seal. Stainless steel shelf design. High load-bearing capacity. Efficient production. Accelerate fermentation process. Suitable for a variety of pasta fermentation. Client feedback.
Hello dear Lola, thank you for helping me when I needed to buy the dryer. It's working perfectly, it looks great, and everything came as it was supposed to be.